Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have two questions we need to solve for x. The first question says 4 power x minus 64. This is equal to 0. This is exponential equation, so we are going to use rules of exponents to solve it. First of all, let us take 64 to the right hand side. That is going to be 4 power x. This is equal to 64. Let us put 64 into exponent form. 64, this is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 4 power 3. Now, 4 power x, this is equal to 4 power 3. But we know that if we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If we have the same base, the power are equal. Now b is equal to c. For that case, we have the same base 4. Now x is equal to 3. X, this is equal to 3. Let us do question number 2. We have 16x power 4 minus 81 over 4x squared plus 9. This is equal to 0. First of all, we are going to simplify the left hand side. Then we are going to solve for x. Let us look the numerator. 16x power 4 minus 81. I'm going to put this into different of two squares. That is going to be 4 square x square. This is square minus 9 square over 4x square plus 9. I'm going to put 4 square and x square square under the same power. That is going to be 4x square, all of them square, minus 9 square over 4x square plus 9. This is equal to 0. This is already in the form of different of two squares. That is, if we have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So I'm going to factorize this by different of two squares. That is going to be 4x square plus 9, 4x square minus 9 over 4x square plus 9. This is equal to 0. But 4x square plus 9 and 4x square plus 9, I can simplify them. I'm going to remain with 4x square minus 9. This is equal to 0. Again, I can put 4x square minus 9 in different of two squares. That is going to be 4 is the same as 2 square. That is going to be 2x square minus 9 is the same as 3 square. This is equal to 0. In different of two squares, I'm going to factorize this. That is going to be 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. This is equal to 0. That is 2x plus 3. This is equal to 0. And 2x minus 3. this is equal to 0. Let us solve for x. For the first one, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is equal to 2x is equal to minus 3. I'll divide by 2. I'll divide by 2. I'm going to get x is equal to minus 3 over 2. Let us look the other factor. That is 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is equal to 2x. This is equal to 3. I'll divide by 2. I'll divide by 2. By 2, 1. By 2, 1. I'm going to get x. This is equal to 3 over 2. So, the value of x for this question is x is equal to minus 3 over 2, or x is equal to 3 over 2.